Lost your Roku remote? Don't worry. Here's how to connect Roku to Wi-Fi using your smartphone and a hotspot. To use your smartphone as a remote, open the official Roku app. If you don't already have this free app, check the links in the description below. Then, tap Devices at the bottom of the screen. Next, select your Roku device. Once it connects, tap Remote to start controlling it. If you don't see your Roku device listed, or you can't connect to it, make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as Roku. If your Roku device is still trying to connect to an old Wi-Fi network that you can't access, you'll need to set up a mobile hotspot. This will create a temporary network with the same name and password as your old Wi-Fi, so Roku will automatically connect to it. Here's how to set up a hotspot on a separate iPhone, Android, Windows, or Mac. Then you can use the app to change your Roku to a new Wi-Fi network. To set up a mobile hotspot on an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings and select Personal Hotspot. Then turn on Allow Others to Join and change the hotspot password to match the Wi-Fi password your Roku was previously connected to. To rename your hotspot network, go back to Settings, General, About, and change the name of your device to match the Wi-Fi network your Roku was previously connected to. Since the hotspot uses your device name, this automatically updates the network name as well. To create a hotspot on Android devices, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, and select Wi-Fi Hotspot. Then, turn on Mobile Hotspot and change the hotspot name and password to match your previous Wi-Fi network. To set up a hotspot on a Windows PC, right-click the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. Then, go to Network and Internet and open Mobile Hotspot. Next, turn on Mobile Hotspot and set Share Over to Wi-Fi. Finally, select Edit to change the name and password of your hotspot to match the Wi-Fi network your Roku was previously connected to. To set up a mobile hotspot on a Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then go to General, Sharing, and select Internet Sharing. Next, click Configure. If you don't see this pop-up, click the eye icon next to Internet Sharing and select an option under Share Your Connection From. Since Macs can't share a hotspot Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi, you'll need to connect your Mac to Internet using Ethernet or tethering. Then select Wi-Fi under Two Devices Using to change your hotspot name and password to match your previous Wi-Fi network, and click OK. If you don't see this, click Wi-Fi Options. Finally, enable Internet Sharing and click Turn On, followed by Done. Once your hotspot is running, use the Roku app to connect to your Roku device and select the remote. Then, tap the Home button in the app and go to Settings, Network, and Set up Connection. Finally, select an available network and enter the password. And remember, turn off your hotspot once you've connected your Roku to a new network. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.